Right. This is the elevator somewhere in Victoria. It's at the Broughton Shops, I believe, is the name of the place. It's at the Bug Zoo in Victoria, British Columbia. Cost. In use. Got slapped on with Dewhurst Kone sensors. I can't tell what this is. It was probably a Montgomery, but anyways, we're gonna go up to 2. There isn't an indicator in here. Let's go to M. Too bad it got slapped on with this junk here, but still seems rather interesting. We're gonna go back up to 2. It's like a school or something. 1. Here on 1. It works. There it goes. And that's gonna be it.